Abu Dhabi's Hindu temple is rising fast in the desert of the UAE capital. Carved stones are being brought from India and fitted into its facade. The foundation is complete and work is underway to build the first floor. The temple is expected to open in the year 2024 and welcome up to 25,000 visitors a day.
This has completely done with a hand carve, and in the different villages we are taking this stone to all those villages where these craftsmen are available, and accordingly we are doing. You can see how this carving has been done, integrated. This column piece has been open from all the sides, so it's very difficult and all has been done with manually.
The temple's exterior will have pink sandstone from Rajasthan in India, and the interiors will feature white Italian marble. More than 30,000 carved stone pieces will be used in the structure.
The bottom one, we can see it's a granite, and above that we have used the pink stone. Actually all we have individual piece, and once it arrive here we fix it like a jigsaw puzzle. This carving is mainly we have take the design of flora and flowers. As you can see in this, you can find out that there is some blank portions we have kept. Okay, so over here we are going to place the idols. We also have include the stories of each devas. Okay, like if we have the shrine of Bhagwan Shri Rama, Lord Rama, then starting from his birth till what he has done, his entire life we have carved, okay, in the facade of that shrine.
Construction is underway in Abu Muraikha in Abu Dhabi, which is near Sheikh Zayed Road connecting Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Built without using steel and iron, it will be the first traditional Hindu stone temple in the UAE. The builders have used special techniques to make sure the structure is strong and resilient.
This is a structural column, okay, which we are going to place in the temple. We have created this hole, and we are using this shear keys pin, you can say. It is also made up of stone itself. Okay, so the half portion will go like this, and the other piece is also having the same cavity, okay, and it is going to place exactly on top of this. So while is there any seismic movement, it has got interlock.
The temple will have 7 spires, one for each emirate. Volunteers want to make sure the community is involved during the temple's construction.
Every Sunday over here at the under construction site of the temple, the people from various communities in here, from India and from abroad, visit the temple and they participate in the brick laying ceremony.
The temple complex will spread over 55,000 square meters. It will include a large amphitheatre, an exhibition hall, a library, a food court, majlis, and 2 community halls with a total capacity of 5,000 people. Another 53,000 square meters will be used for parking, with room for 1,200 cars, 30 buses, and 2 helipads.